Oh, you need a notify command? I should. You're right. I should get one in there. It's cool. Man, I hadn't been on it since I first signed up a while back because I couldn't sign in with Google Auth anymore. So I was like, oh man, I can't make any changes right now. So I think that's probably fixed by now, considering it's like publicly released. No, I didn't know. That's sick. Nice, man. So is the mobile app not out in like the stores yet? It's only on betas? Oof, man, this coffee's so good. Yeah, that's cool. I knew it was built with React Native. That's awesome. It's pre-release beta? Okay, that's what I thought. Guys, look at this really cool water bottle I got. Look at this bad boy. It's like 40 ounces. 40 ounces of pure water. It's so good. It's so good. I have a hard time seeing the point of Notify. Love the project, and Jamie would never use the product. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely not for everyone. I'm interested to see kind of how it turns out. And it got a lot of traction on, at least on Jamie's Twitter. He posted a video, like a official release video, and I mean, it got tons and tons of like retweets and views and stuff. So it's very interesting to see like there's obviously a problem there, and people want that. So I'm curious to see how it all plays out. Yeah, no, I mean, I can definitely see why people would want to use it. I didn't realize that YouTube had such a large problem in the notifications. It's crazy. I really didn't realize it because I don't use YouTube notifications like that. But it's cool to see that they've built something that solves that. I don't know, it's cool to see a group of people starting on Twitch here and building something and getting to where they are. I think that's the coolest thing for me. And I hope that Twitch starts to notice these people and can start building more in the programming community around that. Because imagine you come to Twitch one day and you're like a developer and you're like, man, I would love to like start streaming, and then you're like, wow, watch the XYZ people that started on Twitch and in 400 days built this product that is now used by millions of people. Like, that's where it's at. Like, that's awesome, you know? Starting to carve out our own little part of Twitch, which is really cool. No, that's the thing, DM. I don't use YouTube enough to know that, you know. I've always I'm cool. I've always been cool with like the people I subscribe to. I have always felt like I've gotten their content, but I also am the person that will watch like a new video 3 or 4 days later. You know, like I'm not. I don't watch it like the same day. So it's interesting to see, because there are definitely, I'm sure, people that obviously watch videos or want to watch them right away. Interesting. Yeah, no, I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy how it all works. Crazy massive systems that do all this, but welcome in, folks. Again, glad to have you here. Oh man, all right, where do we leave off? I don't remember. So we finished up our social auth flow, And the last thing I wanted to do was set up the navigation. We started doing that. We started using this library called React Native Navigation, and this was from my understanding. This was like the most native navigation that you could get. If I pull this back up, we were following this guide, yeah, from Wix. I don't remember if I got it working or not. Cool. I'd rather have tech videos that teach me the way. I like that. I'd agree. Okay, yeah, so we did this. I think we set up iOS to work. Except we don't have any, like, we didn't have any actual navigation. So we used the CocoaPods route. So we installed this pod there in our pod spec. And then, yeah, and then we just made sure it works. So let's go ahead and start our server, and then we'll do npm, or I always forget React Native. Run iOS. Here we go. Man, I haven't heard this song forever. I always forgot. Yo, Demon, where's Steven been, man? I feel like I literally have not talked to him for like months. This song always reminds me of him. All right, so again, we're gonna test out the navigation stuff here. I think what we'll do is probably just hook up some mock navigation to a screen. So what we did last week was we actually, on our index.js path, we had to change a little bit around to actually do a new type of registration. So we use this thing called register component. And I actually created this constants file called navigation constants. And so with this library, each navigation route needs its own ID. So I decided to do navigation.groovee whatever the app component name is. So for us, we're registering app.js, and that's this guy here, which is our essential root component. So we do that initial registration here. Then for what I was reading, it was, yeah, it gets an event that's fired off, and it registers the listener for those events. And so we just set the root, and I think there's a bunch of other params that we can put in here, but for now we just set this up, and then again I just pass in the constant, and now we're here, we're rendering, so that's good. And this is for iOS, so now we have to do the same thing for Android. But before we continue with that, I want to go ahead and actually wire up these buttons to do a navigation to somewhere. Working He CEO, that makes sense. A lot of news, can't talk much about it. Good stuff happening. We got Microsoft partnership today, which is really cool. And me and Steven have been working together a lot recently. Ah, cool, man. Ooh, that's sick, man. Dude, if you're a Microsoft partner, next year you guys can come to Microsoft Ready. Hell yeah. Over in Las Vegas. Yeah, man, Microsoft Ready. It's a internal and external, or internal and partner like conference that takes place in Las Vegas for like a week in July. It's actually pretty cool. And it's basically a lot of workshops and things like that around Microsoft products and things like that. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at how we actually do a navigation on here. Okay, so to make the navigation input as dense and homogeneous as possible, we begin with a single unifying function, setRoot. setRoot receives properties for any kind of layout, whether tabs or stacks or combination both, as seen in the example. Okay. Gotcha. So it has all these things: children, stack, component. So root. Oh. This is tab 3. Gotcha. Okay, so this sets up a stack, bottom tabs. Shows a component as an overlay. So navigation.show overlay component name example.overlay options overlay intercept touch outside. So like if I want to do something like this, right? I'd be curious to try this out. At least now people will know I'm a sellout to Microsoft now. you right. You are officially a sellout to Microsoft. I love it. Yo, Kosi, what's up, dude? Welcome in, buddy. Toasty, dude, nice to see you, man. Who doesn't love huge configuration objects? You know, I was thinking the same thing just now, but I'll take it. Okay, so I kind of want to try this one, this show overlay, and it sounds like, or just, it looks like we can add this just to our, probably our button component. What I've been up to, dude, I just been, you know, grinding at the new job. It's been a lot of fun, been a lot of work. I'm actually on call this week, so if shit goes down, there's a small possibility I have to hop off to handle it. But usually, it's very rare for that to happen. I do, yeah. I still work at Microsoft. Yeah, I don't know the last time you were here. I'm in Seattle now. I'm in Seattle headquarters. So I want to maybe try this. So let's grab this navigation overlay. And it's this guy. So we import navigation. If I can press enter. And then we also want to bring our constants, and then we will add this to our constants list. Could you get me a tour? They may need to clean them after me? Jesus. Well, with that said, probably not. Dude, if you ever make it out to Seattle, you hit me up and I will show you around for sure. No problemo. Export const, and let's say we'll just call this like social overlay ID, and it's navigation.groovy. Oh, yo, Cross, holy moly, coming in with a 16 person raid. Dude, thank you for that. Holy crap, man. Wowza. Oh, it's quitting time for you. What up, man? Welcome in. Thanks for coming by, dude. Yo, huge shout out, dude. Guys, I think all of you by now should know Cross, but if you don't, he is a awesome game dev that has been on Twitch streaming, doing the same thing probably a little bit longer than I have, but been grinding it, been having a good time. I appreciate the raid, man. How's your stream? What's going on? I was just supposed to do that. Thanks, Demon. I appreciate that, dude. Yo, and Agile Trees, what is up? Thank you very much for that. Welcome to the Pixelog team. Glad to have you here, folks. My name's Alec. I work on really just any project I'm interested in. Right now we're working on a collaborative social music playlist and learning React Native. Having a good time. Going on 3 years in November, bud? Holy. Dude, that's freaking awesome, man. Man, when did I'm about 2 years or so. I don't even remember. Feels like a while. That's awesome, man. A stream while working on recording of Nightfall? Oh, recoding. Awesome, man. Is it more of like performance improvements or you're adding some new features? Hey, Roars, welcome. FGNU passive aggressive. Hey, we can't call him out for what he is, alright? That's rude. Oh, gotcha. Feels so much better. Dude, when I was working on cycles and I was like, alright, we did this first iteration. It's a bunch of good old spaghetti code. Let's remove stuff and actually make it proper. It's like the best feeling ever. I'm glad you're doing that. And Anemo, what is up? Hi, welcome in. Thanks for being here. Okay, so we need some overlay ID here. So right now we're just gonna call this overlay. We need to make a component, I guess, that renders here, right? Or no. Yeah, the component name shows the component as an overlay, but do we need to register that somewhere? Probably, right? Because here, oh, do we have to register the component here as well? Only 8 days, and it's maybe 3 weeks from where it currently is on Steam. Dude, that's freaking awesome, man. That's sick. Which celebrates 2 years in early access today. Wowza. So, looking back, Ross, at these 2 years of early access, how do you feel it's done? Trying to make me look bad. Okay, so let's just make this dummy component here real quick. We're gonna do a new file. We're gonna call this overlay. We'll just call this overlay test. Ooh, excuse me. Close overlay test. And then I literally just want some text here. So we're gonna bring in this guy. Blackbird, black moon, black skies, black, everything black. All right. So we're just gonna create a view. This view is gonna have some text. Everything black. And that's it. Horrible because those instances with updates, art assets, marketing releases. Yeah, that's the hardest part. In all honesty, like, it's hard to promote once you have released it, right? But like that's a good learning right there, right? Like if you really want something to become successful, like on a more viral success, right? Learning how to manage that stuff while you're building it's pretty crazy. But dude, you release something, it's been out for 2 years and people are using it. I think that is in itself pretty incredible. Oh yeah, how's that anime, Demon? That's why Life and Debt was half price and did 3 times better on release. There you go. Dude, that's crazy, man. All right, so we created this little dummy component overlay test. It has this little text box. So let's go back into our index.js. And we're going to come here, register component. We're going to call this social overlay ID. And we're going to call this overlay test. Oh, thank you, VS Code. My God, imported it for me. On season 2, almost to the end. Okay, nice. But the goal is now to release Nightfall out of early access by the new year and have it swing to the top of the Steam list again. Damn. Okay. Cool. All right, dude. Thanks for coming by, man. Thank you for the raid, like always, dude. Have a great rest of your day. And I'm sure I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much again. Okay, so we register our component here, and now, if I understand this here correctly, we should be able to now do navigation show overlay. Our component, the name of our component, your registered component name. ID, we can just keep it as what's auto-generated for now, I guess. And then options overlay intercept touch outside. I think, yeah. Yo, PhD Troll Slayer, what's up? I have a work interview for a developer job this evening. Wish me luck, boys. Yo, best of luck. Holy moly. You prepared? You've been doing that leak code? What are your thoughts on React Native so far compared to native iOS development? So the only biggest thought, Justin, I have right now is I personally enjoy Swift more than JavaScript. But I haven't ran into any issues so far that I've heard a lot about before starting React Native. And one of those issues has really been like navigation and kind of the sluggishness of it on React Native compared to iOS, and like passing data between views and stuff. But we just started that, so we'll see how that ends up. But I don't know, man. So far, like, it's definitely really nice to be able to develop this one code base for both Android and iOS. Like, I didn't realize how powerful that actually was until I started. Like, I wrote this out, tried it out on iOS, it worked, and then tried it out on Android, and it was awesome. So it's always good. Also have an evening interview this week. Oh snap. Roars, that's awesome. I hope yours goes well as well. Yeah, sure, Justin. The Artifacts, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team, my friend. I'm glad to have you here. We're gonna say test display overlay. So we change this. It should now be like that. Okay, so I think we should be good. Now if we do a quick little refresh there. Navigation review, blah blah, could not be found. Oh, I don't think I... Wait, did I not? I thought I brought the navigation in here. Did I not? Okay. Maybe I was in the midst of it and then I just forgot. And then it... I think it needs to be, yeah. One more layer out. And then navigation constants. There we go. in auth.js. Why did I put it? Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. That's why. There it is. There we go. So there, will your Apple app be converted to React Native? Good question. PogChamp. Yeah, there's going to be an Android version of this. That's why we chose React Native. The original setup was to create these native shells and then create React Native components that would be embedded with like in a hybrid with the native code, but I was having a lot of issues with it, so just scrapped it. Came in through Cross's host. I work with React at work, full stack intern. How's it going? Oh, nice, man. Well, welcome in. Thanks for coming by. It's going very well. Just we're doing some React Native work right now. It's been fun learning it. I haven't done much React, so where do you intern at, man? That's awesome. It's for a gaming platform. I'm curious to hear more about this. Roars. Sounds secret. What's up, Des? Welcome. Hi. All right, so we just added our navigation stuff. Let's try this out, eh? Where are we at here? So overlay. Okay, yeah, so for each button we'll have this option here. So I'm gonna try out a button. Okay, so can't find variable React. Oh, what? Yo, Des, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here. Thank you for that. Might become Alex competition. Hey, you better watch yourself, all right? You can't take us down, all right? We're making big moves right now. Current rapper 29. Wait, what? Okay, so did I don't think I need to bring anything else in here. Default overlay test, right?
This will get messy.
We'll see, Roars. I better see you get the job. I'm gonna be happy. Yo, Developers TV, what is up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you. I hope you go work for Nintendo. That would be interesting.
Better get out of the way.
Components, overlay. Yeah, and then we have app.
I never belonged in this world. I wasn't made for this. But I'll never forget those who betrayed me and those who never failed my trust.
Can't find variable React. So it's like oh, I guess here, right? Overlay test JS5. But I don't need to import React here, right? I hope the song helps you wake up. Dude, you went all over my emo playlist, man. This ain't emo. Oh, so they do import React here as well. I'm going to try bringing this in. I didn't do that because we don't technically have a React component here, but I'm wondering, since I'm registering out as a component, it needs it. Okay. Well, it didn't crash, but I think it's stuck. I think it's a little broken there. Okay. Yeah, it definitely is a tad broken. Oh wait, no, the text view is right there. Oh my gosh, you guys see it right up there in the corner. Hey, there we go. What the? That is dope, dude. If I did, I could do style. Yeah, that's it. It's an overlay. I'm an overlay. I guess we can also do like style background color. We just throw that in there real quick. Just so we can see it. My God, I'm so good. I'm such a React animal. If you use JSX, you must import React. Hey, K-bra. Cool. That's actually good to know. Thank you for that. You may want to turn down the music audio. How about now? We got some day to remember though, baby. How's that? Is that any better? Thanks for the heads up. It's an overlay. Turn it up now. Just call the line. Yeah, let me know if that's cool. I think that should be pretty solid. Anyways, so if we do background color, and then we do just like I want to see the animation come up is what I'm very curious about. But yeah, that works. So we know how to use it now. Oh, double curly braces. Yeah. Thank you. I always forget, man. Let me just do white. I did the best that I could to try to write you songs. Excuse me. All right, so we do that. What? Why? Why? What the? Why did that happen? Oh, because it's only going to span the size of the text view, right? So we probably have to do a height of 100%. That's probably what we need. Man, so there's no animation that comes with this overlay? Or am I thinking of the wrong overlay here? You're just an iOS developer? Hey, developers. I've done a lot of iOS development on the side, but I'm not... I do other development as well. Oh, past props. Man, there's a lot of... This is going to be a really interesting way to do navigations. He's .NET C#, not JavaScript. Thanks, Royce. Thanks for having my back and asking people to encourage. I'm going to go to the overlay. Like, where can I find these overlay options? Been high on a Sunday. Totally pretended to leave. Seems like Grüvee's working well. Hell yeah, man. Dude, just trying to learn how the React Native stuff works, like compared to how our native iOS stuff was working before. This is interesting. I guess now that we're doing this, we can also do a display. And I'm missing from you. Let's do display flex, and then what is it? Justify content. And it should be center, right? Yeah, there we go. React doesn't work. You work for React. Thanks, Toasty. Hey, don't worry, Evgen. Look at this flex. This is flex magic, dude. We good. We good. Excellent song that worked the OA console last year. Oh, no way. Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, this... Dude, Under Oath is like... I can't even explain how much I appreciate them. Incredible. Incredible band. Alright, well, so that works. I guess the next thing I would like to do is... let's just get this stuff committed, and then we will... And then let's move on to the Android version so we can get the navigation set up properly. I'll just double check what we did here. So component and social auth button. We added our 2 imports and then this overlay stuff. Navigation constants. Added a new navigation ID. Index.js. Register a new component. So I guess we should probably start making like a component registration, right? Just like add that there. And then component overlays has to be added. Cool. Do you like the Almost as well? Since Andres drummer as the main vocalist? Yeah, I never listened to them too much, honestly. But it's they're pretty good. Like I enjoy them. I just have like Define the Great Line from Under Oath is probably top 5 like best albums for me ever. Like it is incredible. Yo, I'm glad they did 2 artifacts. I'm glad they did 2. I totally used you in my cover letter for this job application. Oh snap! No way. Yo, hell yeah, that's awesome. Hey, I mean, it's a good way to show outreach in the community, right? Against a wall. All right, let's add this. So git add, git commit, adding navigation test and test component. So we push that. Now let's just make sure this works for Android because we got to do the same sort of setup on Android. We have a very similar taste in music. Hell yeah, man. Dude, that means you got a good taste because I got a fantastic taste in music. Yeah, it's cool. It seems like a lot of people here, we kind of all vibe on the same like level of music, and then like some of us will dip down to very heavy metal, others will dip back up to like pop, rock, alternative. Yeah, we're just here for the music. Like, if you come back, anyone who's new here, come back for the music. That's it. That's it. To the window. All right, so now let's go ahead and do our Android version. Okay. This might be a little painful, folks, so please bear with me. What is this thing called? Android Studio. I lied, it's gonna be really painful. Why? Why is he singing, talking to himself at 6 a.m.? Yo, if you want to start your day right, Roars' roommate, you gotta sing at 6 a.m. and talk to yourself. Let's update Android Studio first. It's the only way to start. When I was playing in a band, we got booked to open for the U's, but I got canceled because they couldn't get into Canada. Dude, what the hell? What band? What? What? And you opened for Veil and Maya? Who's your band? Or who was your band? It says to update Android Studio, so we're gonna make sure to do that. Oh, we safe? Okay, cool. Yeah, no, my roommates are. They'll say that. They'll say that to me. Actually, I ask them every day. I'm like, "Did you guys hear me this morning?" They're like, "Nah, we didn't hear you." I'm like, "All right." Apparently, I'm not loud enough. Yo, for real though, like that's my life dream. I just want to be in a band and open for people, and then be like the coolest lead singer / guitarist out there. Old band was called Through Tragedy. Okay. Are you on Spotify by any chance? Are you in a new band? Is a question. Yes, I was just gonna say, festify it up. Add it. We're gonna wait for this to download. I guess while that's doing that, we can take a look at what we're actually going to do here. So include React Native navigation. Okay. Make sure you're using the new Gradle plugin edit. Okay. Update Android build Gradle. Okay. We were on iTunes back in the day. Oh, I was gonna say, if you don't know if you're on Spotify, you're probably not, because the artist puts up their music there. Damn. Feels bad, man. That's pretty sick though, dude. What was your instrument of choice? We gotta update all this stuff here. Okay, so it looks like it's just updating a lot of the Gradle settings to make sure that our library can actually utilize it. That's sick, dude. You know, that's so funny because it reminds me of if you've ever heard of Northlane, the lead vocalist in Northlane, he, before they got like super big, he left and he went to go pursue a degree in like I think it was aerospace engineering or something like that. It was just so interesting. Like, it's such an interesting thing to think about, you know? Play bass and do some vocals. Sick, man. Wrote a lot of music? Sick. It's awesome. That's so cool, man. My pop punk band got on Spotify. We were meh. We opened for Bangerang, the Wonder Years. What? What? Do we have any more secret musicians in here? What the hell? Oh my god. Dude, Cross, that's freaking sick. What was your band's name? Oh my Jesus, man. I know. I feel like such a loser. I want to do that. How can I do this? All right, let's put on some tunes. Let's put on some tunes. Next in line. I like it. I'll wait for you. I'll wait forever. Yeah, go for it, man. Please do. The directories will contain configurations of 5-star unused versions of Android. Check. No, just safe delete them. Yeah, I don't want that crap if I'm not using it. Get out of here. But they're pretty good, dude. That's so cool, man. Like, I was in a band in high school. We were gonna play a show at a very local venue, and then what happened then? We actually ended up not playing because the drummer of our band left, and it was really sad because I really wanted to play. Cool. Artifacts, I saved that, man. Thank you. I'm gonna take a nice little listen. God, it's so awesome, man. It's so cool. I love it. I've been were you the drummer? No, I play guitar. I haven't played in a long time. But I'm trying to pick one up again this year by the end of the year. And then my goal is to learn all of Constellations from August Burns Red. Like, play through every single song. Freaking love that album too. It's very good. Here it is. Dope. I do enjoy the drums though. Rain next in line. All right, putting it on. All right, queued up 3 songs. I'm excited. Yeah, dude. I mean, if you're opening for some pretty big bands, that's great. We recorded the album in Idaho. Ryan Morgan of Misery Signals engineered it. Holy crap, man. Yo, you guys are cool. I wish I was you. Warning, our singer was horrible. We'll be the judge of that. And what'd you play, Cross? All right, let's start these updates, eh? Lead guitar? Awesome. Android settings great. I would have his fur babies. Can I do a search in this thing for like a file? How does that work? No. Oh, settings Gradle. Here it is. Your boy's blind. Actually, do need to go to the eye doctor though. That is for sure. All right, so we add this thing. Include React navigation. All right. Step 1 done. That's crazy, man. It's been a while, huh? Okay, then Android Gradle wrapper. Make sure we have this dude. Android Gradle wrapper. Gradle. Gradle wrapper.properties. Oh, do I need a... Oh, no, it's right there. Android Gradle wrapper. And then this is distributed URL. Yep. Oh, we have... I think we're on a higher version already. Yeah, we're on 5.4.1, so let's just keep our current setup. Probably our most boring track. All right. In a Dream is coming up next. All right, and now an Android build Gradle. Yo, Artifacts, thanks for coming by, friend. Have a great rest of your day. Appreciate you being here. And yeah, hope to see you next time. We're here almost every day, hopefully. Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. UTC and 5:30 a.m. PST. So hope to see you back then, man. Thanks for coming by. Okay, so build script. Repositories, Google, JCenter. Capital lowercase. Maven Central. JCenter. And then our class path for dependencies. 342, this is 301, so we're on the latest version. Okay, so we'll just use the latest here. Yo, Guitar 88 Hero. Dude, I love Guitar Hero, man. Bruh, where do you live? I'm in Seattle, man. Washington State. All projects we need Google. And repositories, Google. Oh, do we need to remove? No, we didn't have that there. I like that little riff. Okay, and then we need to add Jetpack. Such a weird name. Oh, we already have Google down there, so we're good to go there. All right, I think we're good. Yeah. Sorry, folks. Oh. And then min SDK needs to be 19. Let's see what we got there. Actually, we don't have an extension object in our build script. Do we? Oh, it's right here. Min SDK is 19. Wow, okay, this is going well. I think we're doing okay. Yo, is that Cross? That lead guitar? Oh baby. There we go. Android app build Gradle. Compile options. It's not what it was before. Things are never how they seem. Anything can happen in a dream, in a dream. Okay. Hey, Klaus, what's up? Welcome in, man. Were we made by our drummer? Oh, that's pretty cool, dude. Hydrate bot, thank you. Gonna drink some of the 40-ounce water bottle here. Wow, it's actually pretty thirsty. Yo, good stuff, man. I'm not happy with the weather. I'm going to watch Amanda Palmer tonight, and it's non-stop rain. Ew. It definitely sucks. I'm assuming it's outdoors if you're worried about that. There's been a good programmer and a wannabe is knowing where to paste your code after copying. That's so true, Claus. Why do you think I'm such a good programmer? I know exactly where to copy that code. Dependencies are in here. Compile Facebook React Native from modules. Okay, so remove that saying. Oops. Remove these. And then we're gonna add these guys instead. It's interesting how this works. I guess because this React native navigation. Oh, I guess it already does right there. Hey, Caparino. Hey there. Welcome back. It's just a long walk. Good one, Royce. What are we doing with Android Studio? So right now we're actually adding in React Native navigation, and there's some setup steps we have to do beforehand. So just getting those in, and hopefully we'll have a navigation system in our app. Yo, Chopix Poker, welcome in. Let me know if you have any questions. Ooh, that actually is a really good point. I didn't even think about that. I gotta pretend I understand them. Yeah, me too. What? Okay, cool. So we did step 4. Update project dependencies. Next, React Native navigation, React Native version. Supports multiple React Native versions. Target the React Native version required by your project by specifying the React Native build flavor. Android app build, Gradle. I think... Yeah, I think we're on React. We're on 60, I believe. So this is build Gradle default config again. Let's add this down here. And then we're 60. 60 up. React Native app? That is correct. That is correct. Oh my god, some Nicky FM? My boys at Hawthorne? Bro, you have a nice room? Yo, thanks, Guitar. Appreciate that. It's a nice little cozy room. Gets the job done for sleep and such. Android 10 is out? What's the name of Android 10? What's like the code name or whatever? Lollipop, bubblegum, pop. Feels bad, Evgen. Feels bad. Okay, so now we need to instruct Gradle how to build that flavor. To do so, here are 2 solutions. Preferred solution, the React Native navigation flavor you would like to build is specified in app build Gradle. Therefore, in order to compile only that flavor instead of building your entire project using Gradle assembly debug, you should instruct Gradle to build the app module. The easiest way is to add a package.json command to build and install your debug Android APK. Oh, so we add this. We can do some JavaScript now. Let's go. Yeah, some people are a little confused about things. Queen Cake is the name? Wait, for real? Queen Cake? Why? It's interesting. JavaScript. I'm outside of your window with my radio. No package. Here we are. And now we need to add the script here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. All right. So now we have this command, and that's it. npm run Android, and that's it. No. Yeah, okay, that's it. And then we can actually do our navigation stuff, which is going to be pretty dope. So npm run Android. Oh, I'm going to need the... I always forget. It doesn't do the same thing as Xcode. We got to open up the emulator first. Okay, there it is. Nice. The public name for OS would have been Queen Cake. Android 10 or Q has otherwise known will be the first version of OS since 1 and 1.0 to have a tasty treat public name. Okay. Man. That's cool, Chavix. Thanks for the insight. Tasty treat. Queen Cake. Definitely an interesting name though. Looks like we got an old version of the app on here. Song I know. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna wait for this stuff to go through, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild. You're a tasty treat? Ooh, I hope you're talking to me. Excuse me. Hot loading. I just choked? Uh-oh. Do you choke on some queen cake? Why is this thing hot loading? Dude, what the heck? Oh, I wonder... Okay, so that built... Okay, let's just close out of this real quick. We're going to do npm run start. Get our server running. And then in here, we'll do npm run Android. And hopefully this does what we need it to do. Bro, is Discord better than Slack for programming chat? It depends on the person, honestly. They have some pretty, like, similar-ish features. We use Discord for our programming chat. I think it's worked out pretty well. I always make a joke. Hey, watch out. Watch out. You're talking to the mod there. Roars, do what you need to do. You know, I've never used Flutter class. I'm not sure. Nope. I love how you're like, no ban, please. Bro, how do you even use this thing? How do Android devices even work? My emulator froze, though. They don't? Yes. I agree. So it looked like that worked. Okay, I guess I should probably do this stuff first then, and then we can come back and test that out. All right, so let's go to our main activity, Giev. I like this song. To extend activity instead of React activity. Okay. I got you. Easy. We're going to need to import this guy. Mom, I'm writing Java. Haven't written Java since college. Feels bad. You got to sudo into the Android OS and run some hacker script for apps to work. Feels validated, man. Dude, yeah, this is a good song. I'm actually about to add it to my playlist, which I will be doing now, so please hold. Oh, dude, this album cover is sick. I love that. Bro, life, man. Very nice. Found it today? It's awesome, man. Nice, definitely a nice find. I'm a fool, and I should do it like this. The public class. Oh man, the classic, baby. How come you can't find my React Native navigation? What you doing? We're gonna build it, see if it maybe finds it. Yo, this is gonna be hype, man. Friday I'm going to an emo night here in Seattle. It's gonna be fantastic. I'm gonna play all these jams. Wishes never end. Wishes never end. I really hope that we can find the symbol here. I think it... Okay, it looks like it's being built here, so that's good. That's good. And I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep. I cannot breathe tonight. I need somebody and always. This sixth strange darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every plugin update recommended. Okay. So how come this built, but we're still getting this issue here? Cannot resolve React navigation. Oh, there it is. Woo. Scared me there, buddy. We'll stop this pain tonight. All right, so this was the... I think this was okay. We didn't have anything else added. Get main component name. What's up, Isaac? Welcome back, man. Android Studio is so confusing to me. Yeah, it's like... I agree. I don't know why. It just bothers me. It bothers me. It's so confusing sometimes. Have you seen the Blink-182 Ghoul interview? No. What? There's so many files you have to touch in order to do something, and like I don't get it. I need someone to teach me. I need to be taught. Yo, Denton Burton Jr., thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team, my friend. Glad to have you. I don't know. Did the alert not fire off just now? Let me what's this thing called? Let me double check that real quick. Yeah, I didn't hear anything. Did you guys see something on the screen? Oh, that's weird. Didn't come through. I'll have to take a look, guitar. But I'll never find out. Dude, that's how I feel, man. That's how I feel. Alright, so it's saying we don't need this. I don't have a desire to learn it, you know? But I feel like as mobile developers, Evgen, like, it's our duty to know how to at least, like, work with Android apps, right? Like, do you agree or no? Okay, and then update main application.java. So bring in all these guys. Okay, and then we need to extend navigation application. So it's just like remove everything else. Okay. I just added the Blink spin-offs. I'm glad. Yeah, I was like, these are the songs that are unsung heroes per se. Just gonna grab these. It looks like we're supposed to remove all these. I'm gonna comment them out for now. Let's do that. Get all this crap here. Okay. I hate that it adds these plus signs. Holy moly. Alright. The next is a new Mark Hoppus and Alex Gastro. Okay, cool. Add a metalcore song Norwegian. Yes. Yes. Love me some Norwegian metalcore. JK, I've actually never heard it, so we're about to find out. Bro, do you like hip hop music? I don't know if I like hip hop music per se, but I do enjoy. I have been listening to like more. I call it emo rap, sad rap. Been getting into that a lot lately. I guess that's hip hop, right? I don't know. Oh man. There we go. Hey, who's excited for the iPhone release September 10th, huh? Any thoughts? I'm interested to hear some thoughts around it. Vector icons package? The heck is this thing? Okay, almost done. I guess this was good to know exactly what's going on. This is weird than I expected. I hadn't heard this song. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think I've heard this one either. It's like it's kind of groovy. Arrays? All right, let's do a build on this guy and see what happens. Oh! I want to look something up while that's building. Grüvee. Yeah, it's Grüvee. Permission denied. Okay. Why? Java compiler. I'm going to assume it's cannot find variable. So can I like import this, or why can't we find arrays here? I've never understood why all this crap's in here. Probably keep it actually. I think about it. Just let it do its thing. There we go. Lil Wayne and Blink-182 collab. Yes, I did hear about that. They're on tour right now, I think, together, right? Oh, how do I do this? It's just like shift or enter or something? Cannot resolve symbols array. Java. Just feel like this is very normal to include, but maybe not. Okay, there it is. Oh baby, is this some Norwegian metalcore? Is that what's going down? Sorry folks, checking something for work real quick. Okay. Okay. What is this permission denied thing? All right, I can definitely get behind this. Adding it to a couple playlists here. Very nice. No, but for real, what is this thing? Why is this plugin? Oh man, why is this happening? Sorry folks, one second. Ooh. Okay, well, poop. Give me 1 second, folks. I gotta check something real quick. Guess we can still talk here for a little bit. Something ain't right here, folks. Something ain't right. Interesting. Okay. Huh. Weird. I'm gonna have to take a look when I get into the office. Anyways, back to this. What is this thing? Oh, maybe because it was trying to update. I think I might need to restart Android Studio. I feel like that would definitely be a reason why that would not work. We would have some issues. Oh, I wanted to look up. I got a new update in my car yesterday, but I want to know what the update was. Wait, what? Let's see. Car flex? It would be this one? No, this was already updated. Unless there was something else. This one. No patch notes have been provided? Oh man. I gotta join this thing. This is pretty cool. Car flex. No, my bad. I wanted to I've been thinking about it all morning. But I guess I'm gonna have to wait till I get to my car. Alright, let's try building this again. I think maybe we needed a quick little restart. The Model 3 though? Yeah. You right. Alright, looks like it worked. Not really a flex. Thanks. Okay, so force the same support library version across all dependencies. Some of our dependencies might require a different version of one of Google's support libraries. This results in compilation errors similar to this. You can use React Native navigation? Oh my gosh. Oh, so it should now work. Yeah, because we've already set it up in JavaScript. Just that's the common people. It is. It is the common people. You right. Good, it was a good price. That is for sure. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and do npm run Android. Hopefully this works and hopefully we get an overlay. All right, build successful. Where's the? Again, how do you work this thing? I thought. So I have to do a build. But if I do the React Native run Android, that's what they're saying, to replace it with the build. Is it me or does the Model 3 look like a sized up toy car? I don't know. I've never viewed it like that. I think for the I was talking about this with my friends the other day. It's like, it doesn't make sense that the Model 3, I don't know, it's just like, it's a nicer looking electric car. Like, out of all the electric cars out there, it doesn't look like your typical electric car, which is nice. I think that's always been like a trigger for me. You know, you see like things like that Nissan Leaf. That thing looks so freaking weird. It's so round. It is. It's very curvy. You're right. It doesn't have too many sharp edges. All right. We got an overlay. I can build React Native apps. I'm so good. We did it. We did all that. We did it. So it looks like. So can I I wonder if I can do this. Can I add an and CD or and just React Native run? I don't remember if this will run in parallel. or not. But let's try it. Yeah, dude, we got it. This is exciting. Hatchbacks are never pretty. Yeah, no, that's true. It's true. But it's like, not even that. Like, you know, same thing with the Prius, right? Like, it's awesome to see electric cars, but just like the Model 3 is the first car that looks like a like a nicer electric car. I don't know. That's my opinion on it. Yeah, I agree with you, Evgen. And yeah, same, Roars. Like hatchbacks are definitely never pretty. All right. First stop me. Unrecognized command, run Android. Wait. No, yeah, run Android's a command. Okay, I was like, I'm going crazy. So maybe we can't do this, unfortunately. Unless... Unless we add it here. Can we do that? On the beach and not bare feet. So then we can do sleeping all day, staying up all night. There's Android start or something like that. Something like that. I like the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. But then I just think about how many dogs I can fit in the car. Nice. One big old dog. Man, this back and forth you two have is quite funny. I love it. I love it. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try it. Oh, it did work. I don't know why it... Hey, nice. Okay, so then we can just do npm run Android. And there we got our overlay. That's it. Very nice. All right, so it's time to commit. Commit our soul to the world of programming. All right, so we changed a bunch of crap. Just gonna adding navigation support for Android. Pushing it. Whoa! It's about time you commit. 8 commits and counting. Thanks, Royce. Yes. Thank you for that. We're 8 commits in, folks. It did work, is maybe my most thought. I'm just like, I don't know. Mine was Osha's gaming right now. Yeah, that has been mine lately too. At work, I've been, during my breaks, I got the Master Chief Collection on my Xbox. So, Such a fool. All right. That makes more sense now. Okay, support children layouts of any kind. A stack can be initialized with more than one screen, in which case the last screen will be presented at the top of the stack. Okay. So... stack base app options, example initialize with 2 screens. So okay, so we do this thing, we do a stack, options, top bar, visible, false, pass in some children. So the bottom one, the bottom one would be the first one to be shown. Game tester when I was 20. I don't know, like. Ooh, dude. Damn. Ebgen's spicy today. Jesus. Oh, damn. Get wrecked. Good job, Royce. 100% agree with that. Watch yourself, Ebgen. Dude, you're getting on her bad side, man. That was good. That was good there. Okay, so we're missing... I'm just trying to see what I missed here. Root. Stack. Options. I don't really need options. I just need the children. I need some children in my stack. Cool. Alright, this ain't bad. Need. Okay, so we have our children. Oh, no, these need to be objects. Right? That goes there. Component. Whatever that is, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that was pretty good. I'm glad you banned him. Or timed him out. Totally deserved it. In a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding. Okay, so we do that. Let's go to the... Where is that other one? Components. Overlay test. What if I heard of? We don't need that. It would be... Our social auth button is the one we need. And we need this thingy. Commands. She's got the fish out. Watch yourself, man. Watch yourself. Oh, well, in fact. I mean, technically, I managed to save it. Alright. No. Stop that. We don't do that here. We do this. Should be here. Haven't you people ever heard of? Okay, so we have our stack. This is a child that's going to be displayed first, and then this is our other one. So how do we move to that thing? Right? Like that's the... Oh, or am I misunderstanding what this is? Haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No. Oh, I forgot this thing is like. Oh, double tap R? That's fancy. Ah. Okay, so we did get it, but it has like a back navigation stack. I want to navigate to a new component. So like how do I do that? It's top level. So as to make the navigation APIs consistent and homogeneous as possible, yeah, we did set root. I guess let's look it up on the Googles. Push component. Navigation. React Native navigation. Change my code with all versions. I should be able to push should be called from a stack child component. I'm not even sure what this means. Here's what I'm using right now. Login stack children component name. Oh, okay. So you do call push, but where is that in the documentation? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Was I here the whole time? Was I literally looking at this the whole time? I'm a fucking idiot. I have a problem. All right. Jesus. Happens to me all the time. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so this API is relevant when the screen component context is allows the screen to push other screens, pop screens, change its navigation selector through navigation module, and expect to receive current presented component ID from screens. Component must initialize in stack in order to push another component. Okay, yeah, so we did initialize in the stack. The one thing I did want to look for was... Oh, I think I was looking at the wrong screen. I don't know what I did. Anyways, I want to go to layouts, it was, I believe. Layout examples, and then there was this thing. Top bar, that was the option. So top bar, right now I want to hide, right? I'm assuming that top bar is the... I'm assuming the top bar is the navigation bar that we see up there, which we don't want. Yeah, okay, cool. But if I swipe back, does that work here? Okay, awesome. So now what we can do, now we have that, we come in here and with our social button, we can say push new, push test view. And then we'll just keep it as overlay for now. So we do navigation. We can do a push. So if we go back over here, push this.props.component ID. No, component ID? That's just what we registered, right? So that should be our navigation constants dot social overlay ID. Yo, this song is the yeah. No, I'm looking at V2. There is a migration from V1. I guess there's a whole API section here that I didn't even notice. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. We should be using this. I'm over here in the API section, Evgen. Terms of promise, nice. Brings you to the source. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So unhandled problem detection, failed execute stack command, stack navigation Grüvee overlay not found. I was looking at this. Screen API. GitHub.io, React Native Navigation. What? I got a 404. That's, yeah, I spelled that right? Does it work over here? Yeah, I get a 404. Dude, yeah, what? What? Quite confused. So, oh, this is a screen API, but what? Oh, I have docs. That's the same one you're looking at. It's just this one has docs for some reason. Do you think there could be a difference because of country? It's weird. Oh, so access this API is available through navigation model and expect to receive the current presented component ID from screen props component ID. So so technically it should be the current one. So it should be root. What? Alec, hello. There we go. This is our props.navigate. Interesting. Yeah, no, it says to use. Oh, mine. So it says navigation. So, but I keep saying that it's not found. I set up my stack, I guess, like push my stack component name sign up. So they gave an ID to the stack. So I guess let's try that. So stack ID children.
I have walked out in rain and back in rain.
I'm gonna call it the stack.
I have outwalked to the furthest city light.
Let's pass this guy in.
I have
Didn't
stood
save.
still and stopped the sound of feet. I have been one acquainted with the night.
Let's try that out. There it is. But so this push does like a modal. It's definitely doesn't do what I was expecting. Pop to root, set stack root, show modal. Oh, unless that is that how it does in Android? iOS push, I expect it to navigate to the new screen, right? That is what you want. I think most apps do something like that. Yeah, so that's in iOS. I keep referring back to iOS, but I'm on Android. iOS doing a push moves the view like left to right. Now I'm getting 4 on the URL I posted. Dude, what the hell? Yeah, this may be the proper way to do it. Okay, cool. So we just need to pass in the stack. Let's go ahead, I guess, add this to our constants as well. Export const stack ID. It's going to equal to navigation dot Grüvee dot, we'll just call it stack. Stack ID. Do you even have an Android device? I do not, no. It'll be all through the emulator. Must have iPhone and Android phone. Yeah, no, definitely don't have that. Hey, thanks, Evgen. Thanks for coming by, dude. Catch ya later. Have a great rest of your day, alright? Plus a MacBook for developer, man? Dude, MacBook for sure. For sure. I think what I'll end up doing is, and I'll just have people test it when we get to that point, right? I think for the development point right now, we're Gucci. But once we actually have something that works, yeah, obviously have other people test it. Yeah, it depends, dude. Depends on like where this goes, you know. It's kind of just a fun project for now. Hopefully people will use it, but oh, that's cool. All right, that's cool. I like that. I like that. I guess let's change this to something else then, right? Note 10 Plus seems ballsy. That's a pretty cool device for sure. All right, friends. That's actually gonna be the end of the stream for me today. I'm gonna start getting ready for work, but I think we made some pretty good progress. Let's update this real quick. Navigation has been added and working for both iOS and Android. Now it's time to create the playlist and get some stuff showing. Mock data. All right. I like the note lineup, to be honest. My uncle has a note and I love messaging with it. I like if I was to switch to an Android device, I would switch to a Pixel. I really like the Pixels or the OnePlus. The OnePlus devices are super nice too. Anyways, before we head out, this is the playlist like view. I have it mocked out for iOS. This is kind of what I was thinking. Right now, this is just some default image. But essentially, we have this playlist view. These are going to be all the playlists that are created. This is going to be a simple table view with these kind of cards set up here. It's going to tell you how many members are a part of it and then how many songs are also inside that playlist. Yeah, so I think it's pretty simple. It goes really well with the iOS aesthetic, but need to definitely figure it out for Android. Hey, thanks, Steeman. Appreciate it, dude. Thanks for stopping by, man. And for anyone who's new here, consider giving the channel a follow. We stream here Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. UTC and 5:30 a.m. PST for a couple hours every day. We'd love to have you here. Get notified when I come online. We also have a Discord channel, our Discord server. If you want to come join, we have a bunch of people there talking, developing, doing cool stuff. So I'd love to have you. Feel free to join in. And thank you all for coming by today. iPhone XS is now? Yeah, I saw, dude. It's the way to do it, man. iPhones. But yeah, at the end of every stream, we always love throwing a raid. So if you are a sub, grab that first message, Adalan, rip the bun. If you're not, don't worry, grab the second one, the Twitch raid, rip the bun. And let's see who's on Twitch right now that we can throw a raid to. Any cool developer friends out there in the world? Always like the bun must grow back, dude. I'm in pursuit of it. It's coming. It's coming. It's gonna be there soon. Sure, demon. Rage.mp. Programmazing. Oh, Italian. Ooh. I develop things? Cool. Looks good to me. All right, friends. Let's get in for that raid. Show some love. Show some fellow programmers out there some love. Yeah, thank you. That's a good suggestion. Again, appreciate you all being here. Hope to see you all again very soon. See you here, same time, same place tomorrow. Peace and love, friends. Have a good one.